The investment plan for Europe is bringing concrete results. Almost 380,000 small and medium-sized European companies can already benefit from it. These companies can expand their activities, hire new employees and invest more in research and development. Furthermore, adding the 151 large-scale infrastructure projects financed to date, the investment plan has mobilized 154 billion euros across the EU. The investment plan is making a difference in the real economy. With it, the EU supports innovative projects that contribute to job creation and growth. Encouraged by the success of the investment plan, we have already proposed to double it, both in terms of financing capacity and duration. Our aim is that as many European SMEs as possible should benefit from it. Help us spread this word and share this video with your friends. Let's continue to make a difference with the investment plan for Europe.